Imagine a time long ago. The ancient Egyptians built something amazing. They built the pyramids. These giant structures have puzzled people for centuries. How did they do it? What secrets did they know? The pyramids were not built overnight. It took many years and thousands of workers. They used simple tools but clever techniques. They cut and moved huge stones. They placed them precisely to create these incredible structures. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are a testament to human ingenuity. They show us what can be achieved with planning, skill, and teamwork. Let's delve into the past. Let's discover the secrets of how the pyramids were built. The pyramids were built with millions of stones. These stones were incredibly heavy, each one a testament to the sheer effort and ingenuity of the ancient builders. Some of these stones weighed as much as a school bus, making their transportation and placement a monumental task. The most common stone used in the construction was limestone. This material was quarried from nearby sites, ensuring a steady supply for the massive building project. In addition to limestone, the Egyptians also utilized granite. This stone was much harder and more durable. Granite had to be transported from quarries located far away, often from Aswan, which was hundreds of miles to the south. The Egyptians were true masters of stonework, their skills honed over generations. They cut the stones with copper tools, which, despite being softer than the stones themselves, were effective due to the Egyptians' advanced techniques. They used a variety of tools, including chisels and saws, to shape the stones with remarkable precision. The stones were meticulously shaped to fit perfectly together, a feat that required immense skill and patience. Remarkably, they did not use mortar to hold the stones together. The stones were so well cut and precisely placed that they held together by their own weight, creating a stable and enduring structure. To finish the pyramids, the Egyptians used bright white limestone to cover the surfaces. This outer layer made the pyramids shine brilliantly in the sunlight, visible from miles away. The sight of these gleaming structures must have been truly dazzling, a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. The ancient Egyptians didn't have modern machines. They didn't have the luxury of electricity or advanced technology that we rely on today. They used simple tools, but they used them effectively. Their ingenuity and resourcefulness allowed them to achieve remarkable feats with what they had. Copper was their metal of choice. Unlike iron, which was rare and difficult to work with, copper was more abundant and easier to shape. They hammered copper into chisels and saws. These tools were essential for their construction projects. These tools were strong enough to shape even the hardest granite. The precision and skill required to do this were extraordinary. Wooden mallets along with copper tools were used to chip away at the stone. The combination of these tools allowed them to carve intricate designs and shapes. They used levers and rollers to move the heavy blocks. They also used ramps. These methods were simple yet highly effective. These ramps were made of earth and brick. They were carefully constructed to support the weight of the massive stones. The ramps helped them to move the stones higher and higher. This allowed them to build structures that reached impressive heights. One of their most important tools was the cubit rod. This tool was crucial for ensuring accuracy in their measurements. This was a measuring tool. It was used to measure lengths and ensure that each block was cut to the correct dimensions. It ensured that every block was cut to the right size. This level of precision was necessary for the stability and durability of their structures. This precision was key to the pyramid's stability. The meticulous attention to detail in their construction techniques has allowed these ancient structures to stand the test of time. The dedication and skill of the ancient Egyptian workers were truly remarkable. Their ability to create such enduring monuments with limited resources is a testament to their ingenuity and perseverance. From the towering pyramids to the intricate temples, the architectural achievements of ancient Egypt continue to inspire and amaze us to this day. Moving the giant stones was a huge challenge. Imagine moving a block of stone heavier than a car. The Egyptians had to be clever. They used a combination of muscle power and ingenuity. Teams of workers dragged the stones on sledges. They placed the sledges on smooth wooden tracks. They poured water on the sand to reduce friction. This made it easier to pull the heavy sledges. They also used boats to transport the stones along the Nile River. It was hard work. Thousands of workers were needed. They worked together, pulling and pushing. They moved mountains, literally. Section 5. The sloping secret pyramids in progress. The pyramids weren't built all at once. They were monumental projects that required meticulous planning and execution over many years. They were built in stages, each stage representing a significant milestone in the construction process. Each stage was a layer of stone blocks, carefully placed and aligned to ensure the pyramid's stability and shape. These layers got smaller and smaller as the pyramid grew taller, creating the iconic sloping sides that we recognize today. Imagine a giant staircase reaching for the sky, each step representing a layer of history and human ingenuity. The Egyptians built ramps to move the stones up to each level. These ramps were essential for transporting the massive stone blocks. The ramps were made of earth and rubble, materials that were readily available and could be easily shaped and adjusted as needed. They got steeper and steeper as the pyramid grew taller, requiring even more effort and precision from the workers. Some ramps were built inside the pyramid itself. These internal ramps were a marvel of engineering, allowing workers to transport stones without disrupting the exterior structure. They were like giant spirals going up inside, winding their way to the top and providing a continuous path for the workers. Once a level was finished, they smoothed the ramp, preparing it for the next phase of construction. They used it to drag up the next level of stones, each one carefully placed to ensure the pyramid's integrity. It was a slow and steady process, requiring patience, skill, and an unwavering commitment to the vision of the pyramid. But finally, after years of hard work and dedication, the pyramid reached its peak, standing as a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the ancient Egyptians. Section 6. Dress to Impress, the Art of Pyramid Finishing. With the pyramid's shape complete, the real artistry began. The Egyptians smoothed the outer surfaces. They used copper chisels to chip away any imperfections. They polished the stones until they gleamed like jewels. The finishing touch was the casing stones. These were made from the finest white limestone. They were polished to a brilliant shine. The casing stones covered the entire pyramid. They fit together perfectly. They created a smooth, dazzling surface. Sadly, most of the casing stones have been stolen over time, but a few remain, giving us a glimpse of the pyramid's original splendor. Section 7. From Papyrus to Pixels. Comparing construction then and now. Building the pyramids was a monumental task. It took thousands of workers decades to complete just one pyramid. Today, we build skyscrapers that dwarf the pyramids. We use powerful machines and modern technology. Instead of copper chisels, we have diamond-tipped saws. Instead of wooden rollers, we have cranes that can lift hundreds of tons. We use computers to design buildings and plan every detail. But even with all our technology, we still marvel at the achievements of the ancient Egyptians. They built something truly awe-inspiring with simple tools and sheer willpower. Section 8. Legends in the Sand Whispers of Lost Technologies. Some people believe the Egyptians had help building the pyramids. They say aliens or lost civilizations gave them advanced technology. These theories are fun to think about, but there's no evidence to support them. The truth is even more amazing. The Egyptians achieved something incredible with their own knowledge and skills. They observed the world around them. They experimented and innovated. They passed their knowledge down through generations. The pyramids are a testament to the power of human ingenuity. They show us that anything is possible with determination and creativity. Section 9. The Human Element, a monument to teamwork. The pyramids were not built by slaves, as some believe. They were built by skilled laborers who took pride in their work. They were farmers, craftsmen, and artisans. They worked together in teams, each with their own specialty. They lived in temporary cities near the pyramids. They had their own homes, bakeries, and even breweries. Archaeologists have found evidence of their lives. They have found tools, pottery, and even games. The pyramids were a national project that brought people together. They were a source of pride and unity for the ancient Egyptians. Section 10. Unlocking the Past. What the pyramids teach us. The pyramids are more than just ancient tombs. They are time capsules that offer us glimpses into the past. By studying them, we can learn about ancient Egyptian beliefs, technology, and society. We can learn about their religious beliefs. We can learn about their understanding of astronomy. We can learn about their social structure and daily lives. The pyramids are a treasure trove of information for us to uncover. They remind us that even ancient civilizations were capable of incredible things. They inspire us to push the boundaries of what is possible. Section 11. Eternal Wonders, a Legacy in Stone. The pyramids have stood for millennia, enduring the test of time. They have witnessed the rise and fall of empires. They have inspired awe and wonder in all who behold them. They are a testament to the enduring power of human achievement. Today, the pyramids are more than just ancient monuments. They are global icons. They are a symbol of Egypt's rich history and cultural heritage. They remind us of the power of human imagination and the enduring legacy we can leave behind. The pyramids are a gift from the past, a wonder of the present, and an inspiration for the future.